Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you this quick everyday glam look using all Maven Beauty products. This is actually also a really nice eye look for hooded eyes, so I think everyone can wear this makeup look, and I cannot wait to show you guys how you can recreate this eye look on your own eyes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the Maven Beauty Basic Beat Teddy Cream Eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this all over my eyelid. I think it's actually such a cool way to do your eyeshadow by starting with a cream eyeshadow and apply it all over your eyelid. It's a really easy way to kind of get one eyeshadow color to be all over your eyelid in a really nice and quick way, especially when it comes to dark shades. I like to personally build it up by going in with a light shade first and then build it up by going darker and darker. But with the cream product, you can actually start with a darker shade and then blend it out and make it look really soft around the edges. You can do this with an eyeshadow as well, but I feel like with a cream product it's a little bit more easier. And also, when you're gonna apply your eyeshadows on top of it, it's kind of going to soak into the cream product and make everything more long lasting. So I'm applying the product all over the eyelid and kind of softly blending around the edges to make it look more soft. You can add a little bit more product if you want it to be darker, but I felt like, for me personally, this wasn't intense enough, so I'm kind of keeping it this way and just trying to focus on making the blending around the edges look as nice and soft as possible. So when I'm done with that, I'm gonna do kind of like the same around the lower portion, taking that same shade, but this time taking a kind of like tinier brush and blend this underneath the lower lash line, but kind of doing the same thing, blending this back and forth and continuing until I think it looks soft. And I'm also kind of dragging this towards the outer V, so the eyeshadow on the eyelid connects with the eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line. So now I'm going to take the Basic Beat Spotlight eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the upper shade, that left one, which is kind of like a taupey, I don't know how you pronounce that, kind of like a not really warm tone but also not really cool tone shade. I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over my eyelid. It's a really beautiful shimmery color, so I'm going to apply this all the way on the center of the eyelid and kind of using my finger to smear it out and make sure that the whole eyelid is covered. So now for the next step, I'm gonna use a lash curler. I always curl my lashes before I go in with mascara. And then I realized I haven't applied anything in my waterline yet, so I decided to go for kind of a warm brown pencil. Even though I don't have a pencil like that, but I would prefer to go for a pencil which is a little bit more cool tone, like the shade in my crease, but I unfortunately don't have it. So then I went in with some mascara. I am going in with fake lashes, so I'm not that focused on making my upper lashes as long as possible, but I always coat some mascara to make them black, and I always try to make my lower lashes as long as possible. So I'm going to use the Maven Beauty Cruelty-Free Vegan Lashes in the style number 03, which is this beautiful natural lash style, and I'm going to apply this right above the lash line and using a tweezer to apply them. So this is the finished result before the lashes, and here's the after result with the fake lashes. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. I will link all the products I used from Maven Beauty down in the description bar in case you want to purchase any of the products. I will link everything in the description bar. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye!
Yeah, you say that you want me anyway, but your actions tell a different tale. Yeah, you say that you wanna try again. That's why I know that I won't get